Okay.
She does.
Yeah, go. Nice.
That was better than Matthew's first one.
All right,
Sure it was.
who wants to hit next?
I want.
She can get 2. She can get the
You
second
can
one.
get 2 if you want. Go ahead.
Yeah, everyone.
It took me 2 to get all the way through.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to hit in the same exact spot.
Do it.
Come on.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, you did. Oh, there you go.
Barely.
In between those 2 scrapes. You
In
see?
between them.
Yeah, the 2 lines.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But I'd lean more towards the middle, anyways.
Okay, that was the best one.
That was the best one. See, I told you, Sam. You're supposed to use the pointy edge.
I didn't use the pointy edge.
Yes, you did.
No, I
No,
didn't.
he didn't.
I swear you did.
No, he
No,
didn't.
no, I
Did you want to do it?
Anyway.
Nice.
My turn.
Did we remember to close the kitchen door?
No.
Yeah, it's close.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I'll just try to perform.
Throw it through there.
Tomahawk it,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Throw it through there.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Sam.
It was perfect.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, that was
Hopefully
great.
there wasn't anyone over here.
Yeah.
Saying that just right as I threw it, I'm like, I wonder if Riley's out there.
No.
She's outside, don't worry.
Hit up tall.
Oh.
There you go.